This will be insane. There's one recipe every chef talks about, so naturally, I need to go back to 1961.
Hi, Poppy.
This is insane. I am actually standing with Julia Child here in her kitchen.
Darling, let's not waste time and start cooking. But first, wine.
Julia, before we cook, you always said you weren't born a culinary genius, but here you are.
Certainly not. I burn things magnificently. But then I went to Paris with Paul. I had this fish with butter and lemon, and everything changed since then. Let's start cooking. Butter first.
Did you ever feel intimidated entering the culinary world?
All the time. But cooking isn't about perfection. If you're alone in the kitchen, who's to know?
So true. My viewers are certainly nodding right now.
And then, Poppy, now this is where the magic begins. Americans thought French cooking was impossible nonsense. But try this and tell me.
Oh my God, the best thing I have ever tasted.
I simply want people not to be afraid of butter. It's butter that made this dish this flavorsome.
So the pot was in the oven for how long, Julia?
3 hours.
Finally, we can taste.
Oh my goodness.
Delicious. What would you tell future young cooks of 2026?
Heavens, 2026, I would tell them to never be afraid to go after their dreams, even after their 30s like me. And one last advice, you should always have enough butter. Oh, and subscribe to Poppy's channel.